Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy of Van Allen Company. It is Tuesday, February 23rd. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. You finally got that pullback that I think a lot of people were expecting to come into this market on the fact that over the last couple of weeks, you've really been able to rally these markets in a sense, significantly rally since they don't really move all that much. It's been a big move for both corn and beans over the last couple of weeks. You were 20 to 25 cents off the low in beans. You were about 10 to 14 cents off the low in corn. And so when you look at the range that you've had over the last year, that actually is a pretty decent sized move. And really it came off no fundamental news. And so what you had was these markets kind of take a step back, find a little bit of liquidating, profit taking there. And then the fact that you paired that with your 24% planted or harvested in South America, those yields are coming in strong. And so I think you're starting to say, okay, you know, you could have that big crop that people are expecting out of South America. Maybe we need to notch this back down to the lower end of the range in beans. So beans really led the way lower to start off the gate, being down about 3 to 4 cents and then just collapsing, being down 12 majority of the day. Corn down 5.5, wheat down anywhere from 3 to 8 cents. So the pressure was really across the board. You also had unfriendly outside markets, and that had a little bit to do with that dollar slightly higher, but the big ones was crude down $1.50. The Dow was down hard, down about 150 points there too. Meat markets were able to rally just a little bit. They came back after being just a little bit lower on the day. Live cattle up just over a buck, feeders up $2, lean hogs mixed there. Some contracts up 50 cents, some down 80. So a lot of volatility over into those markets, but overall you really have no new news. So a lot of people are calling in saying, you know, what changed? What did you get that these markets sold off so much? And really you haven't got any news. It's just the fact that a little bit of profit taking is what I think you're seeing, and you're now back towards that bottom end of the range, especially into the corn market. Beans have a little bit more to go, but overall you're just stuck in this range trade. There's nothing to get out. You're not going to have a whole lot of news until you get a little bit more yield reports out of South America, and then coming into the end of March, you get March planting, so that should shake things up a little bit. I do have to close the disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.